We talk a lot about investing on our page, and the reason is because that is a serious passion of both mine and Kayla's. Kayla hasn't got to start herself on this journey, but I have, and I hope to get her in the game as soon as possible. So my journey started with a property in 2012 in Sacramento. I bought a house for $42,500. That property, I only put about $8,000 into it originally to get it rentable. Rented that out since 2012, and in that time, my renters paid me back for the entire investment of $50,000. I ended up this year doing a remodel, which some of you may have seen on our story. So we put about $45,000 maybe into the house so that I could pull out a mortgage for $165,000. In between that time, I also bought a house to live in Citrus Heights, and that was in 2017. I turned that into a rental pretty quickly after that. My kids started renting it from me originally, and then now I've got tenants in it. So I only had to put 5% down on that house, and now I'm getting rents $22.55 a month on that one. The money that I used to pull out of my first rental, I used to buy a third rental, which is actually a triplex, so 3 more tenants. And so I've got 5 tenants at this time. That property is in Indiana. I just closed escrow on that. It's again a triplex. I paid $125,000 for that, and it gets rents of about $2,000 a month. These are small potatoes in my mind, and my goal is to continue to move up into larger properties and maybe even commercial. I'm looking right now at residential care facilities, but all of these are ways that I understand investing and things that I can help teach you on how to make it happen for as little money out of pocket as possible.